The 1-year-old Iroquois hound puppies are out for summer walk again, but this time at a place they've never been, the lush and beautiful Boone Valley Farm. The hounds aren't the only ones having a new experience today. Meet Trevor, who's riding out with the hounds today for the first time. On the other end of the lead line, Mom Debbie, who hunts regularly with Iroquois. Even before the hounds are unloaded, there's excitement in the air. A breezy day, running cattle, and new countryside. These are a heady combination for the hounds. Today's walk will expose the puppies to new temptations and experiences. And returning to country so close to the rich covers near Pauline's Ridge will also tempt the older hounds, who remember well the great hunts they've had there. The 1-year-old puppy Driver quickly spots a potential playmate. Not all of the hounds on this walk are puppies, but even some of the experienced hunting hounds are young. Paper, who joined the hunting pack last fall for his first season, is still very much a puppy at heart. Trevor, you think you want to do a lot more of this all the time? Trevor's enjoying himself, and so are the hounds. Even with all the new places and scents to explore, the puppies remain highly responsive to huntsman Lila Mason's voice.
You see, like right there, I just felt like they're getting a little farther away to switch off. You know, I was losing them a little bit, so. But again, we've never been this way, so they're excited about a new place.
So far, Lila is pleased with the hound's performance today.
Paper and the older hounds, they know how to do this.
The goal for today's walk is to encourage the puppies to think about the new smells, sights, and sounds, and to make the right decision to return to the pack when Lila calls.
Come on, backfire! Hurry up! Good boy, backfire!
And young Trevor, too, is getting the most out of his new experience with the hounds.
Yeah, they're leaving. You want to go put your face up against them? Say goodbye?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you get up?
Sit down in that groove.
Yeah. Don't hold it. I'm doing it.
Oh, look at him. Right here.
Hi.
Yes.
Thank you, Michael. They're teaching them to hunt, remember?
Oh,